There's always a right and wrong time to roll your sleeves, but when the time is right, you will want to roll your sleeves to protect its tidiness. The most common roll is the basic roll. You will unbutton both the wrist and placket buttons, fold the cuff seam and the sleeve, then fold once more to cover the cuff. There's a great balance between a professional and casual look. If you're looking for a relaxed look, the casual roll will help achieve this. Flip the cuff over and make sure it's nice and tidy. Keep flipping until your desired length. You can aim for right below or above your elbow. Personally, right below my elbow is my favorite. The casual roll is ideal for a relaxed look in warm weather. The master roll is a sophisticated method for a polished and stylish look. Flip the cuffs and pull it right to the elbow. Now take the bottom and roll it up to cover the cuff. Make sure to leave the very top of the cuff exposed. The master roll pairs great with a contrasting cuff. It's the perfect time to show off those small details. Before rolling your sleeves, assess the situation. It's not professional to have rolled sleeves during an important meeting. However, if you're off work in a more casual setting, rolling your sleeves is okay. You should be able to be cool and comfortable around your colleagues.